Hello everyone. In this video, I want to show how we can increase our PNETLab space storage by adding second hard disk or third hard disk in VMware Workstation. I've already added my second hard disk. I went to setting and on the hardware section, I simply click add, then select hard disk. Next, I selected SCSR, recommended next. Create a new virtual disk, next, and I'll specify my 5 GB hard disk and simple set a single hard disk next and added my second disk on the underscore 2. I specify this name for my second disk. After powering my LVM, it automatically increases my logical value group. Okay, first, let me explain logical volume here, so that you can understand what happened after I have added my second disk. Okay, let's review LVM terminology or concept. There are 3 LVM layers. At the bottom, we have physical volume or PV. In the middle, we have volume group or VG. In third layer, we have logical volumes or LVs. Upper logical volume, we have actual file system. For example, slash for root, slash root for root partition, slash home or home directory, slash opt, and so on, slash 10. Those are all file system. And the file those are formatted in ESFS partition. Okay, so at the bottom we have physical value, which are our actual disks. It's like slash.dev slash SDA. This is our first hard disk. It can also be this like this one, only third partition of our first hard disk, and slash dev slash SDB and slash dev slash STC and so on. These are our physical volume in LVM group. And we can verify it by pvs or pvscan command. Okay, let's try to map PNETLab and type sudo pvs or pvscan. Here we can see our volume group name. This is ubuntu-vg, and this format as lv2. And if you notice, only STL3 partition of our STL are in our volume group, VG volume group. This is my second disk I have added STB, and time my 5 gigs are already automatically allocated to my Ubuntu-VG. We don't need to do anything. I simply added my second artist. And if you type ls command, yeah, you can see that yeah, we have sta and stb, and my stat and the stp and stp itself are allocated to Ubuntu.vg volume group. And this second one is our LV or volume name. But it is my second one is my logical volume LV. This is my logical volume name, and this is my volume group name. You can see this in later. You can verify this. And if you notice, it is already 252. So let's calculate this. My root partition is 148. This is the stay. Type 148 plus 5 equals 153. You can see my logical volume is 153. This is my size. It is already increased my volume, logical volume. Okay, to create a physical volume, we can use this command, pvcreate command, and allocate our physical disk here. Okay, second one is our volume group. Can be attached only to one physical disk or multiple disks. And to verify our volume group, this volume group, we can use vgs or vgscan command. Let's go here and type vgs sudo vgs. This is my volume group name ubuntu-vg. It is all and its size is 152, actually 53. By adding my physical disk in VMware, it already increased my volume group. And for this reason, we don't need to use this command. I will actually use this for volume. It is already increased my volume group. And let's check my third one. But to create volume group, we simply use this command. vgcreate and specify our volume group name and specify our physical disk on the volume group. And third one is our logical volume. This is logical volume. To verify, we can use lvs command. Let's verify my logical volume. Sudo lvs. Our logical volume name is ubuntu-lv. Volume group name ubuntu-vg, and its size is 152. 153 actually. For this reason, we don't need to use this command extend because it is already increased automatically. If I type this command here, you can see new stars matches existing stars. No stars change. And We don't need to use the command either. Sudo restart to FSS and specify our dev. This is our path. This is our volume group name and logical volume name. We don't need to type this either because it is already automatically increased my size. For the file size is already relaxed, nothing to do. Let's add my second disk and let's see if it is automatically allocate my disk either. Okay, let's shut down sudo this command. It's not. Okay, let's add third disk. Add. Okay, 10 gigabyte. Let's specify 6 single file. Next, and specify this 3. Save. Finish. Okay, this is my third one. Let's power on. Okay, let's reconnect. Uh, and let's build call command. Okay, now you can see I have added STC and it is not under my logical volume. Okay, now let's move to increases. Okay, so let's type vgcreate. Let's verify my volume group. vgs sudo vgs. Okay, my vgs is 158. Okay, it is increased. It's increased. Let's calculate this. It is increased automatically. Let's check lsblk again. Okay, it is automatically increased my second height this year. You can notice it is on. Now it is my path. LV path is on the STC. It automatically increased my value by simply adding my this. Let's check my volume name. My volume group, PBS, VGS. This is my PBS, yes. PBS. Okay, it is automatically added my this inside my volume group, physical volume group. This is PB. This is automatically added my 6 this on my physical value. This is my logical value. And let's shift my logical value. And use 159. Correct. For this reason, you don't need these commands in case or create this bar. No change, no such change. We don't need it. Okay, that's it. This is how simply we can increase our PNETLab size by adding our second or third hard disk. It's automatically increase our volume group, as you can see, or did nothing to increase this volume group. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed this video and thank you for watching.